the concepts of the MTF clouds that we use every day is a big part of our trading in the community. The MTF clouds are nothing but they are the EMA clouds from the bigger time frame that we utilize on my 10-minute system. This is something I invented, which has been really working as high probability for us. Everybody used the daily and weekly EMAs for the trading and investing, but nobody really understood the importance of them in short-term trading. So what I did was when I invented these MTF clouds, I brought them so that we don't have to do the multi-time frame analysis separately. We can trade with them on a single 10-minute chart. So let's take a look at a few concepts. First concept, we're going to discuss how we use the MTF clouds to find our targets and to trade our setups. So let's first look at the first part of how we identify our targets. Few setups we had on our game plan today. So JP Morgan, we had a downgrade by HSBC. Our plan in the pre-market was bearish bias to short the pops. We'll buy the puts, we'll short it. JP Morgan was already a bearish on 1 hour chart because it was under Ripster 1 hour MTF clouds. That's the 1 hour 3450 EMA clouds. So as soon as the market opened, we break down under this pre-market lows. It confirmed the short. I told the traders short out of the gate. There was a 10 AM bear flag, then bounce on the 512 reject. It was all day short. But what was our target? Our final target was the MTF. I told the traders we are looking for about 2021 Ripster MTF cloud, and you see that we hit it, and that's where we cover our trade fully. And you see the bounce from the MTF. So it bounced $3, but it faded almost $8 for us for a beautiful winner in the community. So that's one example. The second example I want to look at is Netflix. So what was it? You need to combine your technical system with the news and catalyst. There was a news on Netflix, but we had a neutral bias and we were supposed to trade it versus 1 hour MTF cloud. So as soon as I see the rejections on the 1 hour MTF, I tell the traders in the community it's a short and it's our MTF magnet. What is an MTF magnet? The price usually gravitates towards the next MTF, and you see that rejection from 1 hour MTF going towards our 2021 MTF. And look again, the bounce from the MTF was almost $16. So repeatable. So you can short it, cover it here, and you cover shorts here. Usually the bounce is a D minus bounce, but you know that you can cover your short, and we curled back towards the 3450. So that's another example here. So next one, we're going to look at Google. This was the plan. There's resistance levels, support levels. As soon as the support breaks, we're going to short the Google. And when I saw the weakness on the Google, I told the traders same thing. It's a shorted. I gave the first target of yesterday's lows. We hit that. Final target was the MTFs. You see that from the MTF to the MTF, another MTF magnet setup. So I'm just showing you the 3 setups, the high probability setups. You need to hold for your targets as long as the 512 Ripster clouds hold. Combine all these concepts together of the MTF targets and the news and catalysts, and you can have consistent trades in the market with the Ripster MTF clouds. Make sure you use them.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.